channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about how to write the Verilog HDL code for swapping the two variables using non-blocking assignment. So previous video we discussed the same thing but using blocking assignment. So first of all I recall the term. So what is blocking assignment? What is non-blocking assignment? So blocking assignment in the sense evaluation and updation. So both the things happen simultaneously, but non-blocking assignment in the sense first evaluation process is complete, after the time cycle only updation will happen. So it's a major difference between blocking and non-blocking assignment in Verilog HDL. So now I am going to write the program for swapping two variables using non-blocking assignment. So let me consider two variables A and B. So A value is 6, B value is 4. So before swapping A value is 6, B value is 4. After swapping A value equal to 4, B value equal to 6. So it's a after swapping. This one is before swap. Before swap A value 6, B value equal to 4. After swapping A value equal to 4, B value equal to 6. So as usual you write module, then module name. So here module name is swap hyphen non block. Swap hyphen non block. So it's a module name. Then I initialize the variable. Here I am taking two variables A and B. So this two variable comes under integer. So int A comma B. So here I am using two variables A and B. Both the variables comes under integer. So I declare int A comma B. Then initial begin. So initial begin. Now I assign the value for A and B. Now A value equal to 6, B value equal to 4. So A value equal to 6, B value equal to 4. Now I display these two values A value and B value using the command del display. So before swap A equal to percentage 0D comma B equal to percentage 0D A comma B. So now I display before swapping what is the value stored in A, what is the value stored in B. So here after execution of this instruction A value is 4, A value is 6, B value is 4. So now I swap the values A and B value. So A less than equal to B, then B less than equal to A. So in non-blocking assignment, first evaluation process is complete. Here B values goes to A values goes to B. Only evaluation process is complete, not update the value for A and B. So after the time cycle, so here I assign the time cycle is 5. So after the time cycle display after swap A equal to percentage 0D comma B equal to percentage 0D A comma B. So after swap what is the value stored in A and B that display on the screen. So after execution of this instruction updation will happen. So now A value equal to B, so B value is 4, so this value is transferred to A, then B value equal to 6, so this A value is updated to B. So after the time cycle only the A value and B value is swapped. Then end module, end module. So this is the simple program to swap the two variables using non-blocking assignment. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.